What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. I've got a special guest for you guys. He's over at the warehouse, or he's over at the warehouse right now. We gotta hurry. We don't want to miss him. It's gonna be a rare sighting. Let's just cut to the chase. Hopping in the 7-3. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. We gotta be quiet. We don't want to spook it. Ho! 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 It's real, guys. He's real. Oh my god.
I just want to make sure we got your vote, dog.
Dave never disappoints, guys. Dave, welcome back to the channel, buddy.
Man, I've been out canvassing this whole time, dude. It's hot out there, man.
Don't shortchange the handshake there, buddy. Great work on making America soft again, buddy.
You know, like, what were we talking about? Oh, the make America soft again. You know, I can't for the life of me figure out what that means. Yeah. Like I don't even know. That's from my brother-in-law. He gave me that along with the liberal tears mug.
Yeah, I'm starting to think a whole lot of stuff coming from that side of the world that it don't make sense.
I don't know. I mean, like, obviously, I think it's kind of perverted, but that's just me.
It's also a very weirdly shaped hat, or you have a tiny head.
I have a tiny head.
Okay.
But this one kind of like, I mean,
that's a soft man's hat right there.
I don't know what that like. I don't judge a man by the size of his head. So the snack section, in my absence, I've noticed is getting kind of bare bones.
Uh-oh.
And so today...
Uh-oh.
Okay, first of all...
How do you say it? I'm curious if you know how to say it.
Skin flute.
Skin flute, okay. Yeah, that's definitely skin flute.
Yeah. Right? I mean, it kind of is. Okay,
Did you enjoy the skin flute?
I don't know. It's like make America soft again. I don't get it.
So if you guys didn't grow up near the border or around a Mexican candy connection, taking your first bite of Mexican candy could be a little intense. It's my favorite candy. I prefer it. Like, it's my favorite type of candy because that's what I grew up with. But
it's like a chili powder on the outside of a like gelatin. It's like a Sour Patch Kid with nothing, and then on the inside it tastes like watermelon. So you got chili powder, gelatin, and then watermelon.
Hey, did you notice all of our beat Carloses around here?
Well, you know, it's a funny thing how that ramp showed up, and so did these trophies.
Right?
I was thinking about getting in the trophy making business.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear there's a lot of money in that. And I was looking at your big one here.
Right.
Which, you know, we're all proud of.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
But, you know, I was thinking, because if this is our competition on the trophies, I like to win, you know, even if it's not a game. Like, if we're talking about trophies, then I want our trophy to be the best trophy. So I'm looking at this one, you know, and I see in the central location above, they call this a victory cup. Big fan of the victory lady as well.
All right.
Always. It says Sick Trucks event, but dog, there's a conflict, because down low it's a sick truck event.
I mean, it was a letter between friends, you know. In case you guys have ever wondered if Dave digs really deep into things.
Well, but I want to know which one is correct.
That's a good question.
I'm gonna have to go with sick truck.
Now, you know, you may be thinking like, oh great, Dave's coming back, he's gonna hang out with us, we're gonna work on a project. No.
Dog, I got my black belt.
I forgot to even say that. Congratulations, buddy. Yeah, I forgot. You guys are looking at a certified passive-aggressive killer, right?
Don't miss. Don't miss.
There you go. Congratulations, buddy, because that was supposed to be like a Christmas time thing. And that's, you know, the accelerated life of Dave over here.
Well, dog, I mean, like, I put the work in, dude. I'm like, so I did, every time I went to the gym, I do the 12 katas, and that's like the forms that I know. I did 4 sets of those, so that's 48.
Did we do Nippon Showdown?
Pinon Showdown, yeah.
Talking to Dave about karate is kind of like when Wes goes off on some like tangent about audio equipment that none of us understand.
I got it on Saturday. It's Tuesday now.
Your life's been better since then?
Makes a difference, man. In my I practice a little harder, and the like confidence to know like I want to be better, but also know that apparently people think I'm good enough to where like I know enough to get better. So even though he hasn't been on the channel, he's out doing some pretty epic stuff, right? And well, hold on. Oh, we can't film it though. What?
Don't you still have to give your class?
Well, no.
No, we're not doing that now.
I did that on
you did that without me?
Well, I did that on Saturday, dog. Like
Dave told me he needed to do a
first place truck.
part of his requirements, a part of something was he needed to teach a karate class. Now I've never sat through a karate class in my life, but I was like, hell yeah, Dave, I'll be there for you, buddy. Like,
well, dog, you don't sit through a karate class.
All right, well, I've never, I've broken a few boards with my hand, as a kid, so I figured.
And concrete blocks, yeah. If
Yeah.
you get a man grade 420, yeah, he'll break some concrete blocks.
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I figure I'll come, I'll help my buddy out, I'll support him, I'll go to this karate class, and then he has it without me, guys. I don't know. It's a good thing we're making new friends on the channel, because I just, like, I don't know what's going on anymore.
Well, I mean, like, I hear Wes is being a real good fill-in for me,
Well, so anyway, Dave's kind of really just here to pick up his welder, and I'm kind of just here because even though he's a black belt, he can't seem to load it himself, so I'll help you, buddy. I have been going to the gym again lately. I got back in my routine. 1, 2, 3. Cables are clear. So to give you guys also a quick update on the train horn situation, Horn Blasters actually stepped up and is sending Ryan a completely new mount that will fit the longer horns. So kudos to Horn Blasters for that and taking care of the situation. And then obviously we've got a mount here that, well, it won't work for Ryan's setup. So if you guys are in the market, I think Ryan's going to end up selling this mount. So let me know if you guys want to buy it. It fits the newer Chevys, or I believe the GMCs as well, and it's for a couple different horn setups. I'll put all the specifics once I get them for you guys. But Dave's also got a big update for us. I mean, the man's ready to retire.
Dude, big news, man. I mean, this has been like 5 years in the making, right? My goodly wife, my woman's, got a job. Have you ever been like afraid of success? My woman's just got a job. She's probably making twice as much as I've made while she's been in school. Like, I'm trying to let myself just like win the lottery, but there's this thing in the back of my head that's like, my woman's never made more than me, and like now all of a sudden she's gonna be making more than me. Like, yeah, no, like, oh no, wait a minute. Or do I just take the lottery winnings? It's like,
Yeah, it sounds like you're retiring, buddy.
I think I should just take the lottery winnings, man, and then use.
And then you can come hang out with us again.
Yeah.
Like,
I mean, dude, like, we gotta figure out how to, like, we have to figure out how Dave can make money working for the channel, man. We gotta figure that out.
I've been working on that for a while. We've been trying to figure out something, because the channel, like, I wish there was just like oodles of money coming in from YouTube, but unfortunately, like, the YouTube gold rush is gone. There's not $1 billion coming in. If you're the top guys, you're doing well, but like guys like us, like when I
don't go to one of their weddings though. I just saw a little something about. My daughter was showing me.
Let me lead into. Also question everything you see on YouTube, because there's, I would say, probably 70% of like the bigger YouTuber stuff you see, maybe even more. It's all fake.
I'm pretty
but
sure
it
the
works.
Earth is round. All right,
You sure the Earth is round?
Yeah. See, I mean, my dream would be to make crazy shit all the time with my good buddies and have a good time doing it.
You ever thought of starting a fans only page?
Never heard of it.
Me either. But I hear if you post little risque pictures on there, people will give you $5 a month.
Some people have called me shameless.
Yeah. You get 5,000 people giving you $5 a month. You're doing pretty good, buddy.
Well, that does sound nice.
Right?
Yeah. Now?
No, later.
Right.
Well, hey, congratulations, buddy, on the retirement.
Well, I think that's
we gotta get you a cake.
Like, we're not gonna have to worry about survival. Like,
For the first time in your life?
yeah, right. Like, just take the winnings, dude, and enjoy, right? I mean, that's not
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, we don't get our first paycheck for a couple months.
Yeah. Wait. August 12th.
Yeah. All right. Well,
August 12th.
back to work then.
And then probably 2 weeks there.
Hold on, buddy. Yeah, we ain't getting the paycheck yet, Dave. Come on, you gotta earn it.
Paper towels in the bathroom.
And since we have Dave back today, it just wouldn't be right. You guys have been asking for it. We want to deliver. Dave, you want to go do a truck review?
I'm not dressed for it, but it sounds good to bring back some old times, So
stay tuned tomorrow. I just wanted to make a quick update video for you guys. I don't even know if you guys can see me right now. It's a little dark. Stay tuned tomorrow. There is a truck review video coming. Dave, do you want to do the honors, buddy?
I do.
Click it. Oh, beautiful. All right, let's go see if we can piss off some neighbors and record a truck review video. With that, guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. As always, thank you guys so much. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. That way you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up, because we got Dave back, and now we got Hat Dave. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.